Facebook, hello Instagram. I'm just doing a live today. I'm processing our newest order. We've got about 100 wigs today, and so over the next couple of days we will be processing this order. So I'm just doing a little behind the scenes to kind of show you what we're doing here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Everything that you see will of course be available at magichaircompany.com in our featured wig section. We've got some full lace, some front lace, some 613, some natural color, and of course we do custom coloring here in store. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Everything that we have currently available, plus the 100+ wigs that we are adding. Check back at our featured wig section every day to see what we currently have in stock and ready. If there's something that you want that's not here yet, we probably have it and it's just not available on the website yet. So check out our website, magichaircompany.com. Check out our featured wig section where you will see what we have available and ready to go out. What else? Our current COVID hours are 11 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Text us to set up your appointment. Our text only number is 424-258-0657. Or if you'd like to talk to us, give us a call here during our business hours. If you want to talk to somebody, give us a call at 310-558-0181. All right, guys. So yeah, everything that is available is on our featured wig section at magichaircompany.com. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm just setting up our orders for processing these wig heads that you see here. I'm just going to put the wigs here as we get them labeled and ready to get washed. So don't freak out about these wigs on these wig heads down here. They are getting ready to be washed, and then once they're washed and labeled, they'll go up here with the rest of our wigs. So yeah. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I will try to answer them the best as I can, but right now I'm really just sorting through our latest order and turning on the live so you guys can see how we're working in here. I have my two assistants in here. They're also prepping this order for me on the other side of the camera. I'll probably switch around in a minute so you guys can see what they're doing. But yeah, our current hours are the current days that we're open are Wednesday through Saturday from 11 to about 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm usually here a little bit later until like 6:30. So if you guys want to come by and you can't make it before 5, chances are somebody is still here and available to assist you. We are open for curbside pickup right now. So if you place your order online and want to get it and want to come pick it up during our business hours. And you can, when you place your order online, you can either have your order shipped to you or you can get it delivered. Oh wait, you can get it shipped out to you or you can pick it up in store. And we have free domestic shipping. So yeah. Hi Jason Burke, thanks for watching. Yeah, so we're just processing our wig orders here, getting everything labeled and washed. We wash everything before we put it up. So that's why we're prepping it here on the floor. It's going to get washed before we make it available to you. This is just some of our silky straight hair here. We're going to, of course, wash it and then press it out before we take pictures and let you guys see it available. Yeah, we're located here in Culver City, California. We specialize in making premium custom full lace and front lace wigs. I should start putting the straight ones over that one. Oh, there's somebody here. Oh, this is come on in. Tati. Hello. Let's get your order ready for you. You want me to wrap it up? Please. Okay. or however you want. We just dried it right there. But yeah, you can change it. It's full.
So it's out the whole day?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's just a little bit clean. Definitely well worth it. You got this on my lap. So if you guys need to come in and pick up your orders, just come in and pick up your orders. Yeah, that's a really cute one. Even in the natural color. Let me get these ready. I'm getting straight wigs ready for you. Let me see. And right now we also are doing free colors, so if you want us to add any highlights in that, let us know. We can add whatever you want in. This is a 22-inch straight we're getting ready. So we're going to cut some layers into it. Actually, maybe tomorrow I'll do a video cutting some layers. And Neo over here is about to flat iron this out and style it. So maybe we'll do a video of that. So I'm gonna hand you this one. 16-inch what? Yeah, we have straight is this pile right here.
As I said, by the end of the week, we'll probably have some more up. Right now, we have the 14s up there. Yeah.
I love that one. What is that, 487? I love the color in that one. So we're about to just flat iron this out. These I'm setting up for you, and then we'll make the tag right for it. This is a 26 jet black. Yep. Yeah. You're looking for 16-inch straight?
Not like 14.
Okay. 14 is cute. That's the perfect style right there. So we are getting quite a few jet black wigs in. So for those of you that have us color your wigs jet black, now we have them already. So just put the length and the texture and the type of cap, and then it'll probably be done before you come back, and then we'll go in and put the unit number and the price on. But as long as you have the length and the texture and the cap construction on there, then we'll be able to figure it out. So this here is a 14-inch kinky straight. This is one of our most popular textures. This is what it looks like right out the bag before we hit it with the flat iron. 14-inch kinky straight. you. We'll see you soon. This is a 24-inch silky straight that's custom colored, and we're going to cut some layers in it and do some styling. And yeah, this is what it looks like straight out of the package. What is this, like a color 4-ish?
Yeah.
So this is a number 4. We'll probably go in and add a little bit more highlights to it and add some layers of some curls and really show you what this looks like. So this is going to transform a week by now by the time it gets onto our featured wig section. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm just showing you some behind the scenes, what we do here to prep our wig orders at Magic Hair Company. All featured wigs, all in-stock wigs are available in our featured wig section on our website. And they're available in the featured wig section, and everything in the featured wig section can ship out in 1 to 3 business days because it's currently in store and available. Okay, so I'll put one more there and then that's it. No, you have one there. So these 4 should be good, right? Yeah. Yeah, and I'll just keep putting on my head. So then these 4, you'll just do the tags and styling. Perfect. Yeah, but if you guys want any more information on what we have in stock, go to our website, magichaircompany.com, and check out our featured wig section. We have a lot of wigs to process over the next week. So if there's something that you want that's not available on the featured wig section yet, just give us a call, send us a DM, send us an email, send us a smoke signal. Let us know what you want. We are here to assist you. I'm going to get back to work because I can work much faster if I'm not on camera. So yeah, give us a call, text us, let us know how we can further assist you. Once again, Magic Hair Company is open right now, 11 to 5 p.m. Go ahead.
Oh, I was gonna do it for you.
Okay, Magic Hair Company is open right now, 11 to 5 p.m. Text us to make your appointment. Our text number, which you can send a message to this number at any time, is 424-258-0657. If you would like to talk to somebody, give us a call during our business hours of Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 5. Call us on our regular business phone number if you want to talk through 558-0181. We're located here in Culver City. We are your custom glueless, full lace, and front lace wig specialists. We do custom coloring. We have the most natural, realistic, most comfortable fitting wigs around. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.